So here you can see student. So this question was asked in CSIR Chemical Sciences June 2020. So the question was asked for a 2 marks question student. Here the question is very simple. Right. So choose the correct order of energy of 2 sigma z and 1 pi u molecular orbital of for B2 and C2 molecule student. So you focus here for B2 and C2. First we will write. So B2 C2, then we will discuss for O2 molecule student. Here for B2 and C2 molecule follows below 40 or up to 14 electron system, and O2 molecule possesses above 14 electron system student. So here it is a 10 electron species, and it is a 12 electron species, and it is a 16 electron species. Is that clear student? So therefore here you can see the energy order we will write student. So just I will write as it is. For here the first electrons enter into the 1 pi means nothing but just you can write as 1 pi. So okay, then next 1 pi, and these two are pi 2p x and pi 2py. These two are unzeroed center only, so just I'll write as 1 pi u. Then the next electrons enter into this sigma 2g and sigma 2g, so because it has a zeroed center. Then next electrons enter into the 1 pi and this is zeroed 1 pi g, and then next so this is 2 sigma unzeroed, right? Is that clear? So this is for B2 and C2 student. Then look at for the O2 molecule. After that we will conclude which of the following options are correct answer for the case of B2 C2 O2. Here in this case student, so here the first electrons enter into the, so sigma 2 sigma zeroed student, 2 sigma zeroed, and so the next electrons enter into the 1 pi u, then next enter into the 1 pi g, and the next enter into the 2 sigma 2 sigma u, 2 sigma star u. So this is 1 pi star, sorry, this is 1 pi star z. Is that clear student? Right. So here you can see student, as per the potential energy, so the potential energy, so the energy of 2 sigma g, the energy of for B2C2, the energy of 2 sigma g greater than 1 pi u, greater than 1 pi u. Okay, right. But in the case of O2 molecule student, in the case of O2 molecule, the energy of according to the potential energy, so this is the potential energy 1 pi u greater than 2 sigma g, 2 sigma g. Okay, so 2 sigma g, because the electrons are here only in this case only, so therefore here you can see student 1 pi u greater than 2 sigma g. So therefore here the energy of 1 pi u greater than 2 sigma g for O2 molecule, 2 sigma g greater than 1 pi u for B2C2 molecule. So look at the answer student. 2 sigma g greater than 1 pi u for all the three molecules, it is not correct answer. Then go for the second option, 2 sigma g greater than 1 pi u for B2C2 molecule. So most probably here already we know very well about B2C2 molecule, that is 2 sigma g greater than 1 pi u. So therefore option 2 satisfy these conditions. And here you can see 1 pi u greater than 2 sigma g for C2 and O2. So this is not correct. Okay, na? So 1 pi u and greater than 2 sigma g for O2 molecule only, not for C2 molecule. Here the fourth option, and we can eliminate option 3 also. 2 sigma g greater than 1 pi u for B2C2, not for O2 molecule. So therefore option 4 is we can eliminate. So therefore the given options, the second answer is the correct answer. So this question was asked for 2 marks in CSIR June 2020. Right. So next we will move to the another exam, another problem. Here, so this was question was also asked in 2020 for 4 marks question student. So this is very simple problem. The term symbol, the ground state term symbol for N2 plus molecule. So for N2 plus molecule student, so it is a 13 electron system. It is a 13 electron system. Very simple, right? So 13 electron system. So first of all, we will write the energy order. So that is, it is always up to 14 electron system only. So here you can see this is um, this I will write as pi 2px, just I write as pi 2px and pi 2py. Then it is sigma 2pz. So this is unzerate, and this is also unzerate. So this is for zerate, and so this is pi star 2px zerate, and pi star 2py pi star 2py zerate. Then next sigma star 2pz unzerate. Is that clear, student? Right. So here it is 13 electron system. Already 8 electrons for 1s and 2s level. So the next ninth electron here, 10th electron, 11 and 12. So the 13 electron takes place in this sigma 2pg only. So just focus on this. So sigma 2pz, sigma 2pz only. Okay. So therefore 1 electron per sigma 2pz, right? So what is the ground state? So please remember, student, if the electron is present in sigma level, so obviously the term symbol value is always is equal to 0. Otherwise, just you can write as it is, that is 1, 2, 3. So that is px, pz and py. So that electron in pz orbital, so that is equal to plus 1, 0, minus 1. So therefore the L value for here, not L value, so this is lambda. So lambda value, so that is equal to that is a 0, student. So therefore lambda value for 0 means nothing but, so the term symbol is a sigma only, right? So the given options you can see, student, only second option and fourth option as is having sigma only, the remaining are pi term. So then you can eliminate option 1 and option 3. So that is very very important. Okay, right. So here how many electrons we have, student? Only one electron. So therefore S value is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore the spin multiplicity is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So that is equal to half of get cancel. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So therefore the spin multiplicity is 2 and the term symbol is sigma, right? So here the electron is in Zerid center only. So obviously, so Zerid center. So generally the superscript will be plus only, right? The minus superscript is possible when the spin multiplicity 3 with electron, the term symbol is sigma only. So the given option, student, you can see this, the subscript is u, but it is not subscript u, it is subscript is g. So therefore you can eliminate option 2 also. So therefore the correct answer is option 4 is the correct answer. Clear, student? So this is the way to solve the question. So this question was asked for 4 marks in CSIR. Okay, clear, student, right? So next we will move to the another example. Right here you can see this question was asked in June 2011 for CSIR Chemical Sciences. Here you can see, student, this is also very very simple. So this is a 10 electron system. So simply it is a B2 molecule. So just focus on only these two configurations, student. So this is not this is not important for us for the determination of molecular term symbol. Only the valency configuration is important for the determination of this term symbol. So B2 molecule, here you can see, so the two electrons are there. So these two electrons are in p orbital. So therefore here you can see we will draw the, so this px, py, pz, student. So this is px and pz and py. So py. So here one electron in sigma 2, this is pi 2 px and pi 2 py. So there is no electron. So therefore this is a plus 1, 0, minus 1. So lambda is equal to, so the sum of these L values, so that is equal to L1 plus L2. So that is equal to plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So therefore the lambda value is equal to 0, student. So the term symbol is sigma, right? Clear? So the term symbol part is over. The term symbol is sigma. All the given options mentioned with the sigma only. So okay, right. So the sigma will not decide your the correct answer, right? So then go for the spin multiplicity. The two electrons are there, student. So S is equal to 1 by 2 for first electron and S is equal to 1 by 2 for another electron. So therefore S is equal to 1 by 2, half plus half, that is equal to 1. So therefore the spin multiplicity is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 3. So therefore the spin multiplicity is 3. Right. So then you can eliminate the option. So option 1 and option 3 has a spin multiplicity is 3, 1. So therefore you can eliminate option 1 and 3. So only the option, the correct answer in between answer 2 and 4, that is very very important, right? So already we know very well, student. So generally if the spin multiplicity is 3, if the electron, if the term symbol is a sigma, 100% go for the correct answer is so minus, because the negative term symbol will the negative superscript will comes only when the spin multiplicity is 3 and the term symbol is sigma only, right? So 100% the correct answer is 3 sigma g minus, right? There is no doubt. Okay, so you can eliminate the option 4 also, right? So this is the answer for the this term symbol, right? Clear, student, right? Next we will move to the another problem, student. Here you can see the highest occupied molecular orbital in N2 and O2 plus, student. So simply you can see, student, N2 is a 14 electron system, student, and O2 plus is a 15 electron system. Clear, right? As per this given option, student, so we will focus. I will write the first of all, this is the electrons enter into the 14 electron system. So that is pi 2p, pi 2py as per the given option, pi 2py and pi 2pz, and this is a sigma 2px. So sigma 2px, 1s 2s is over. So here this is 2 and 2 and 2. So therefore 8 plus 6, 1s 2s for 8 electrons, 1s 2s for 8 electrons, the 6 electrons. So these are bonding molecular orbital electron, and so this is homo electrons. So highest occupied mole. So for N2 molecule, so the highest occupied molecular orbital is sigma 2pz for sigma 2px. Clear? So this is pi star 2py and pi star 2pz, and this is a sigma star 2px. So here the electron enter into the sigma 2px electron enter into the pi star 2py. So therefore here this is homo, so this is LUMO. So he is asking only the highest occupied molecular orbital. So therefore for N2 molecule sigma 2px, right? So N2 molecule sigma 2px, right? Next O2 plus, student. So the energy order will be vary, student. So this is sigma 2px, and then this is pi 2p, pi 2py and pi 2pz, pi 2pz. Then the next electrons enter into the pi star 2p, pi star 2py and pi star 2pz, pi star 2pz, right? Pi star 2p. Here you can see, student, right? So this is pi star 2pz, and this is sigma star 2px, right? So 8 electrons over for 1s and 2s. So this is 2 and 10 electron, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so this is the 15 electron. So therefore this is a HOMO for this molecular orbital, right? So this is a LUMO. So therefore here the pi star 2py for O2 plus molecule. So therefore the correct answer is sigma 2px and pi star 2py, right? So I hope you understand, student. So please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt for this regarding question, student, so please comment in the below section, student, and please share, like, comment. Thank you.